Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2021 MACK GR64Bs. This truck is equipped with an SNR 6250 tank. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit, or we do have a couple other units very similar. There is the options, if you're looking for a chassis to convert into something different, we may be able to work with. And again, make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com, to see a full listing of all of our inventory. If there's anything in any of our 10 locations you're interested in, give me a call. I'd be glad to help you. Have a great day.